Now I'm going to show you a way to take an equation that has a large group number like 9 and break those groups apart into two separate equations that you know in order to find that answer. And it's just an easier way for your students to do. So I have 9 groups of 4, so I would be counting by 4 until I get to 9 groups. If I have 9 groups, I could take that into two separate groups. I know that 5 plus 4 equals 9, so I could break it into 5 groups and 4 groups of 4, or you could even break it into 6 groups plus 3 groups. So whatever your student or your child is able to do, whatever factor is easier for them, that's what you would break it into. So I'm going to use the 5 and the 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those 9 groups and I'm going to break it into 5 and 4 groups. So my new equations would be 5 times 4 plus 4 times 4. And when we do the distributive property, or when we break it apart, we always want to have those parentheses to say do it first. So the first thing I'm going to do is 5 times 4. So it's 5 groups of 4. I'm going to count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So I'm going to put my total down here. Then I'm going to bring down my addition sign. And then I'm going to do 4 groups of 4. So I'm going to count by 4 till I get to 4 groups. 4, 8, 12, 16. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these two products together. 20 plus 16 equals 36. So when I do 9 times 4, if I were to count by 4 9 times, I would get to the same product. It's just an easier way for your student to come up with the product.